Hello everyone. In the last lecture we have seen what is sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule and also the proof of these three rules. Today we are going to solve examples based on these three rules. So first we will revise this. This is sine rule. We know that A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C equal to twice R. Also we know that ABC small letters are length of side and capital ABC are angles of this triangle. And this equality equal to twice R, and since radius is constant, so we can use here K also. Means we can use this form while solving examples. Second rule is cosine rule, and here we will use these three formulae. First formula starting from A square, and here angle is capital A. Second formula starting from B square, here angle capital B is there. And third formula starting from C square, and here capital C is the angle. And third rule is projection rule. Here first formula starting from A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Second, B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C. And third one, C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. We will use these three rules and solve next examples. Let's solve exercise 3.2, and our first example is in triangle ABC, A equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 60 degree, then find the ratio of its sides. We can find this ratio by using sine rule. Now here we will consider first two ratio. Move this B here and sine A there. Therefore we have A upon B is equal to sine A upon sine B. And now we will consider second and third ratio. That means these two ratio. And so we have again move this C here and sine B there. Now look, A upon B is equal to this ratio, and again B upon C equal to this, and therefore A is to B is to C equal to sine A. We can find the ratio of sides by using these three angles. And now we know these two angles A and B. So first we will find what is angle C. The sum of three angles of triangle is 180, and therefore substitute angles A and B, and this addition is 105, and therefore angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 105, and that is equal to 75 degree. So we will substitute angle A, B and C in this expression. Now look here, we know sine 45, we know sine 60, but we don't know what is sine 75. So first we will find out this value. So now we will split this 75 degree as 45 degree plus 30 degree, and here we will use sine of A plus B formula, and that is equal to sine A into cos of B plus cos of A into sine of B. And now substitute values. Sine 45 1 upon root 2, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, and sine 30 is 1 upon 2. And so final answer is root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, and so that is equal to 1 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. And we will substitute this value in this expression we have, and so sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, and sin 75 we have found answer 1 plus root 3 upon 2 root 2. Now check the denominator. Denominator is different, so we will multiply this 3 ratio by this denominator, which is 2 root 2. So multiplying 2 root 2 here upside, we have answer only 2. Then here root 3 multiply by root 2, and here only 1 plus root 3. And so final ratio is 2 is to, this is root 6, and here 1 plus root 3. This is the ratio of the sides. Let's solve second example. Here also we will use sine rule. We will start from RHS and we will prove this RHS equal to LHS. We will use this rule. Now here each ratio equal to K, and therefore we will write A is equal to, move this sine A here, so K into sine of A. Same B is equal to, and C is equal to. This is our RHS right hand side. Now substitute values of A, B, C here. Now K is common from these two terms. So upside and downside this K get cancelled. Now use sin B minus sin C formula, which is 2 cos of addition of this B plus C upon 2, and then sin. Now subtraction of these two angles B minus C upon 2. In the denominator use sin 2 theta formula, which is 2 sin A upon 2 into cos of A upon 2, and this is cos of A by 2. So this cos A by 2 get cancelled. This 2 also get cancelled. We know sum of three angles of triangle is 180. So B plus C equal to pi minus A. We will substitute pi minus A here, and so that is equal to cos of pi minus A upon 2, and these two terms as it is. So we have cos of pi by 2 minus A by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. So cos 90 minus A by 2 is sin A by 2, and so, and this get cancelled, and so we have sin of B minus C upon 2, and this is nothing but the LHS of given example. This is our third example. In triangle ABC, if A cos A equal to B cos B, then we have to prove the triangle is right angled or an isosceles triangle. And by sine rule, here we will substitute the values of A and B. So by sine rule, move this term here, and therefore we have A is equal to K into sine A, and also B is equal to K into sine of B. And so write down this expression here and substitute A and B. We have K sine A into cos of A, and that is equal to, this is K sine B into cos of B, and therefore K get cancelled. Multiply both sides by 2, and so we have is equal to twice sine B into cos of B. But again this is nothing but sine of 2A, and that is equal to sine of 2B. Now move this term here. Now use sine A minus sine B formula, that is equal to 2 cos addition of this 2A to sine 2A minus 2B upon 2, and that is equal to 0. This is A plus B, and here A minus B equal to 0. Also we know that sum of three angles is equal to pi, and therefore A plus B equal to pi minus C. Substitute here. This pi minus C angle lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos is negative. So we will write this is minus 2 cos of C, and this is equal to 0. Now again check, product of two terms equal to 0 means either cos C equal to 0 or sine of A minus B equal to 0. So we have, now check here, cos of C equal to 0, that means this angle must be 90 degree, means pi by 2, and here sine of A minus B equal to 0, that means this angle must be 0. So A minus B equal to 0, and therefore A equal to B. That means we have proved that here either one angle is 90 degree, that means it is right angle triangle, and here we have proved that two angles are equal, that means two sides are equal, and so this is isosceles triangle, and therefore the triangle is either right angled or isosceles triangle. Let's solve fourth example, and here we have to prove that this is equal to A minus B plus C. So we will start from LHS and we will use rules and we will prove that is equal to RHS. Now we will multiply 2 separately for first term and for second term. So we will write A, then 2 sine square C by 2 plus, then write down then C, 2 sine square A by 2. And by cos 2 theta formula, cos of C equal to 1 minus 2 sine square C by 2, and therefore 2 sine square C by 2 equal to 1 minus cos C. We will substitute here. So A, this is 1 minus cos of C, and same this is C, and here 1 minus cos of A. By cosine rule we know this, and therefore if we will move this term here, cos of C equal to A square plus B square, this term will become minus, and upon this twice AB. Same we will write for cos A. So substituting in LHS, upon this twice AB plus C, and then we will write 1 minus, now cos A means we will write here B square plus C square minus A square upon twice BC. Now make the denominator same. So here twice AB minus A square minus B square plus C square upon twice AB plus C in bracket. Now multiply here twice BC minus, then all signs will be changed, B square minus C square plus A square upon twice BC, and now this A upside downside get cancelled, this C also get cancelled. Now check denominator, here twice B, here also twice B, so add up numerator. Now check, minus A square plus A square get cancelled, again plus C square minus C square get cancelled. Now what is remaining, twice AB, then plus twice BC, and minus B square minus B square minus twice B square upon twice B. From these three terms take 2B common, so we have here A, then here C, and here B remains upon twice B, then this twice B upside downside get cancelled, and so final answer is A. Then we will write this minus B plus C, which is nothing but RHS of the given statement. And hence we have proved LHS equal to RHS. This is our fifth example, and here we have to prove this is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So since we have to prove, we will start from LHS, and by using rules we will prove RHS. Now multiplying by 2 separately to these three terms plus 2ab cos of c. Now here by using cosine rule, use cosine rule. So cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon twice bc. Same we will write here twice ac, and for cos b means a square plus c square minus b square upon twice ac, and plus twice ab, and cos of c means a square plus b square minus c square upon twice ab. And so now twice bc get cancelled, twice ac also get cancelled, twice ab also get cancelled. Now add up these three things. So now minus a square plus a square get cancelled, plus c square minus c square get cancelled, and minus b square plus b square get cancelled. So check what is remaining. First we will write this is a square, then this is b square, and then this is c square, which is nothing but RHS of given statement. So we have proved LHS equal to RHS. Let's solve this example, and here we have to prove this is equal to a plus b plus c. So again we will start from LHS. Multiply cos a separately to b and c we have. Also multiply cos b separately here, and multiply cos c separately here. Now collect b cos a and a cos b together. Now collect c cos a plus a cos c together, and we will collect c cos b and b cos c together. Now check value of first bracket by projection rule equal to c. Again by rule c cos a plus a cos c equal to b, and c cos b plus b cos c equal to a. So again by rearranging these three terms we have this is equal to a plus b plus c, which is nothing but RHS, and hence we have proved that LHS equal to RHS.